Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how perfume is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
These fresh petals, herbs, and citrus peels are the heart of our perfumes. We ensure only the finest materials arrive here.
Each fragrance begins with a precise balance of natural and synthetic ingredients. Every bottle is inspected before leaving the facility.
And that's how perfume is made. Hackraned, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.